Hello and welcome to The Trust Factor, the Q&A legal information show dedicated to helping real people find simple solutions to their sometimes complex legal questions. Well, our final question on probate goes out to Phil, and it comes to us from Tom via telephone from San Clemente. Tom would like to know, I have questions about the validity of my parents' will. As a beneficiary, is there anything that I can do?
Yes, there's something you can do about that. If you don't believe that that was a trust created by your parents, then you do have, within a certain period of time, the right to contest the validity of that trust. I can give you an example of a case that I handled, and it's a case that's featured here today, the Wood case. And in that case, my client was given a copy of a trust that did not match the trust that was prepared by his father that he knew about before his father had passed away. And this new trust basically disinherited him and gave everything to his father's then wife. And we had to go to court and contest the validity of that trust and try to revert back to the old trust. These types of scenarios happen all the time. It can happen when someone creates a new trust, or it can happen when someone creates an amendment to a trust. To think about some of the things that you want to consider before contesting the trust is the state of mind of your parent, the person who created the trust. Were they feeble at the time that the new trust or amendment was created? Were they on medication? Did they have capacity to understand what they were doing? But those types of scenarios present themselves all the time. It's something you need to be aware of. You absolutely need competent counsel if you're faced with that type of a problem, and don't wait.
Thank you, Phil, for your informative legal advice here on The Trust Factor. And for those of you watching, once again, if you have your own probate questions, don't forget to visit us online at www.legaladvicepanel.com.